Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Mohammed, and we are back with another video. And listen, I know you are used to seeing my face, but today we're doing something a little different. We're going to Estonia. It's got this mix of history and nature, and honestly, it's like nowhere else I've ever been. This is the ultimate travel guide to the top 10 places you have to visit in Estonia. So hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get this adventure started. First up, we're diving headfirst into Tallinn, the capital of Estonia. This city is like stepping into a fairy tale. Cobblestone streets, medieval architecture, and towers straight out of Game of Thrones. Wander through the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Check out St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, a massive onion-domed cathedral. And don't miss Toompea Castle for incredible city views. Tallinn is a photographer's dream. It's got a modern edge too. Hipster cafes, trendy restaurants, and a vibrant nightlife. Explore Teleskivi Creative City, a hub of street art and cool bars. Don't miss the KGB prison cells, a chilling reminder of Estonia's past. Tallinn blends the old and new, creating a charming and exciting atmosphere. Next up, we're heading south to Tartu, Estonia's second-largest city and the intellectual heart of the country. Tartu is a university town, and you can feel the energy of youth and knowledge as soon as you arrive. The streets are buzzing with students, there are quirky cafes and bars on every corner, and the whole city has this infectious energy. The heart of Tartu is undoubtedly the University of Tartu, which is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Northern Europe. The university's campus is like an open-air museum, with stunning buildings dating back to the 17th century. Take a stroll through the university's botanical garden, or visit the anatomical theater, which is a fascinating glimpse into the history of medicine. And don't miss the student prison, a former jail that is now a museum dedicated to the history of student life in Tartu. But Tartu isn't just about academics. The city is also home to a vibrant arts and culture scene. Check out the Tartu Art Museum, which features a collection of Estonian and international art, or catch a performance at the Vanemuine Theater, the oldest theater in Estonia. It's the kind of place where you can spend an afternoon browsing in vintage shops, sipping coffee in a cozy cafe, or just watching the world go by. Now let's talk about Pärnu. This place is Estonia's summer capital, and for good reason. Imagine endless sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and that feeling of the sun on your skin. Pärnu is all about relaxation and good times. The main attraction in Pärnu is undoubtedly the beach. It stretches for miles along the coast, and there's plenty of space to sunbathe, swim, or just chill out with a good book. If you're feeling active, you can rent a bike and explore the coastal path, or try your hand at some water sports. Pärnu is also known for its spas, so if you're looking to pamper yourself, this is the place to be. The town itself is charming, with wooden villas, colorful houses, and a laid-back atmosphere. Take a stroll through the old town, admire the architecture, and soak up the relaxed vibes. Pärnu is the perfect place to escape the city and just unwind. Get ready to journey to Saaremaa, the largest island in Estonia, and trust me, this place is like stepping back in time. Saaremaa is known for its windmills, ancient stone walls, and a pace of life that moves a little slower. One of the coolest things about Saaremaa is its history. For centuries, the island was ruled by the Teutonic Knights, and you can still see their influence in the architecture and culture. Visit the Kuressaare Castle, a well-preserved medieval castle that looks like it's straight out of a movie set, and don't miss the Angla Windmill Hill, where you can see a collection of traditional windmills that are still in operation today. The island is also home to stunning natural beauty. Explore the Viljandi National Park, a birdwatcher's paradise, or hike through the Hiiumaa Nature Reserve, which is known for its juniper forests and coastal cliffs. Saaremaa is a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's the perfect destination for those looking to escape into nature, immerse themselves in history, and experience a slower pace of life. Alright, let's get back to nature because Estonia is full of surprises. This time we're heading to Lahemaa National Park, a nature lover's paradise just a short drive from Tallinn. Lahemaa is all about dense forests, sparkling waterfalls, and those picture-perfect coastal views. One of the best ways to experience Lahemaa is to hit the trails. There are hiking trails for all levels, from easy walks to challenging hikes. Hike through forests along the coast and past bogs and waterfalls. And keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. Lahemaa is home to a variety of animals including elk, lynx, and brown bears. If you're looking for something a little more laid back, you can explore the park by bike or kayak. There are several bike paths that wind through the park offering stunning views of the scenery. Lahemaa National Park is a reminder of the raw beauty of Estonia's nature. Now we're hopping over to Hiiumaa, Estonia's second largest island, and let me tell you, this place is pure magic. Hiiumaa is known for its lighthouses, its unspoiled nature, and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find anywhere else. One of the best ways to explore Hiiumaa is by car. Rent a car and just drive. The roads are quiet, the scenery is stunning, and you never know what you might stumble upon. Make sure to visit the Takuna Lighthouse, the tallest lighthouse in Estonia, and the Kopu Lighthouse, which is one of the oldest continuously operating lighthouses in the world. Hiiumaa is also a great place to go hiking. There are several hiking trails that wind through the island's forests, along the coast, and past bogs and lakes. Hiiumaa is a place where you can truly escape from it all. Next up, we're heading east to Narva, a city on the border of Estonia and Russia. Narva is a city of contrasts with a rich history and a vibrant modern culture. One of the most striking things about Narva is its proximity to Russia. Standing on the banks of the Narva River, you can literally see Russia on the other side. Visit the Herman Castle, a 13th century castle that played a key role in the Livonian War, and the Ivangorod Fortress, which sits just across the river in Russia. The city is also a great place to experience Estonian culture. Visit the Narva Museum, which tells the story of the city's history and culture, or check out the Narva Art Gallery, which features a collection of Estonian and international art. Narva is a city that is often overlooked by tourists, but it's definitely worth a visit. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds because we're heading to Viljandi, a charming town in southern Estonia known for its folk music tradition and its delicious food scene. One of the best things about Viljandi is its food. The town is home to several excellent restaurants that serve up traditional Estonian dishes with a modern twist. Make sure to try the kama, a traditional Estonian grain that is often served with yogurt or milk, and the mulgipuder, a hearty porridge made with barley and potatoes. The town is also home to a vibrant arts and culture scene. Visit the Viljandi Culture Academy, which is one of the leading art schools in Estonia, or check out the Viljandi Museum, which tells the story of the town's history and culture. Whether you're a foodie, a music lover, or a history buff, you're sure to find something to love in this charming Estonian town. Let's journey back in time as we explore Rakvere, a town in northern Estonia known for its well-preserved medieval castle. Rakvere is a town where history comes to life, with cobblestone streets, ancient walls, and a sense of the past that is palpable. The highlight of any visit to Rakvere is undoubtedly the Rakvere Castle. This imposing castle dates back to the 13th century and has been meticulously restored to its former glory. Explore the castle's many rooms and towers, learn about the castle's history, and take in the stunning views of the surrounding countryside. The town itself is charming, with a relaxed atmosphere and a friendly local population. Take a stroll through the town square, admire the architecture and soak up the atmosphere. And if you're feeling thirsty, stop by one of the town's many cafes or bars for a refreshing drink. It's the perfect destination for history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and anyone looking to experience the charm and character of old-world Estonia. Last but not least, we're heading to Setomaa, a region in southeastern Estonia that is home to the Seto people, a distinct cultural group with their own unique language, traditions, and cuisine. One of the best ways to experience Setomaa is to visit one of the many Seto villages that dot the region. Here you can meet local people, learn about Seto culture, and try traditional Seto food. Make sure to try the swar, a type of sour milk cheese that is a staple of the Seto diet, and the kali, a fermented drink made from bread. The region is home to several lakes, forests, and bogs, making it a great place to go hiking, swimming, or just enjoy the outdoors. Visit the Piusa Caves, a network of sandstone caves that were once used as a glass factory, or explore the Lahemaa National Park, which is known for its rolling hills, forests, and lakes. It's a region where culture and nature collide, creating a unique and unforgettable travel experience. And there you have it, guys, the top 10 places you absolutely have to visit in Estonia. From the fairy tale streets of Tallinn to the unspoiled nature of Lahemaa National Park, Estonia has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Estonian adventure today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming travel videos.